Naturally Green Cleaning is a carpet cleaning company in Los Angeles that provides professional cleaning services for carpets, rugs, sofas, mattresses, upholstery, stains and more throughout the greater Los Angeles area. Naturally Green Residential Carpet Cleaning Services is responsible for many of the cleanest carpets in homes from Van Nuys to Sherman Oaks, California. Their team delivers the best home carpet cleaning services in Southern California and is the top choice for homeowners that want to maintain their carpets, revitalize carpet color, and improve air quality. Naturally Green Carpet Cleaning excels in deep cleaning carpets, effectively removing dirt, stains, and allergens from carpet fibers, and their home carpet cleaning services include advanced stain removal and treatment for pet odors. With truck-mounted systems and low-moisture cleaning methods, their technicians can tackle even the most stubborn stains with expertise and efficiency. Contact Naturally Green for residential carpet cleaning service in the Los Angeles area or across the San Fernando Valley. From Burbank to Encino, and Reseda to North Hollywood, LA homeowners trust Naturally Green Carpet Cleaning to provide exceptional service and restore their carpets to pristine conditions. Naturally Green Cleaning also offers professional rug cleaning services, including expert Persian rug cleaning. Their Los Angeles rug cleaners have the knowledge and experience to handle delicate, high-value rugs with care, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned without damage. Whether you need silk rug cleaning, wool rug cleaning, or antique rug cleaning services, Naturally Green will restore your rug to its original beauty. In addition to their residential cleaning services, Naturally Green Cleaning offers professional commercial carpet cleaning services for businesses. From office building carpet cleaning to retail store carpet cleaning, their team tackles the most high-traffic carpets and commercial spaces in Los Angeles. Stores, hotels, motels, offices, restaurants, airports, schools, universities, and municipal buildings throughout Southern California rely on Naturally Green for carpet cleaning and carpet maintenance services. In addition to carpet and rug cleaning, Naturally Green Cleaning provides expert couch cleaning and sofa cleaning services. They'll deep clean any sofa material, including fabric, leather, and microfiber. They effectively remove dirt, stains, and odors, ensuring every crevice and cushion is thoroughly cleaned. Naturally Green Cleaning technicians can also provide in-home mattress cleaning services to remove dirt, dust mites, and allergens from your mattress, keeping it fresh and clean. And their fabric cleaning services extend beyond sofas to include chairs, ottomans, and other upholstered furniture. As a stain removal company, Naturally Green can remove difficult stains, such as red wine, coffee, pet stains, or watercolor paint. Whether you've stained your carpet, rug, couch, mattress, or chair, they are the top choice for professional stain removal services in Los Angeles. If you live in Southern California, Naturally Green most likely offers their services in your city. They have a wide service area, covering cities throughout Los Angeles County, such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Glendale, Pasadena, West Hollywood, Culver City, Long Beach, and Santa Clarita, as well as cities in Ventura County, like Thousand Oaks and Simi Valley, and even extending from the San Fernando Valley to the Pacific Coast. With their commitment to excellence and exceptional customer service, they provide the best carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, and stain removal services in the greater Los Angeles area. Call Naturally Green Cleaning today to schedule a service appointment for your home or business.